Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Madhu Kushwaha, Assistant Professor in SIRT Pharmacy, Bhopal. The subject name is Pharmacology Second, VP 503T, Unit 3rd. The topic name is 5-hydroxytryptamine, 5-ST or serotonin. 5-hydroxytryptamine, 5-HT serotonin history. Overview of important finding in the history of serotonin before and around the period in which serotonin was identified as neurotransmitter associated with the central nuclei of the autonomic nervous system. 5-hydroxytryptamine or serotonin blockers were originally discovered in the 1990 and are one of the newest type of anti-vomiting drug on market. Identification of serotonin's vascular properties, publication year 1912 as an adrenaline mimicking substance without attempt to isolate it by O'Connor preceded the discovery of serotonin in the gastrointestinal tract by Sparmer in 1937 and in blood by Rap- Rapport in 1948 and 1949, who identified its structure as 5-HT in 1949. 5-HT receptors, 5-hydroxytryptamine receptors or serotonin receptors are a group of G protein coupled receptor and ligand gated ion channels found the central and peripheral nervous systems. They mediate both excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmission. The serotonin receptor are activated by the neurotransmitter serotonin, which acts as their natural ligand. The serotonin receptors modulate the release of many neurotransmitters, including glutamate, GABA, dopamine, epinephrine, and norepinephrine, and acetylcholine, as well as many hormones, including oxytocin, prolactin, vasopressin, and cortisol and corticotropin. Is serotonin receptor modulators. Then serotonin acts as a neurotransmitter, local hormone, component of platelet clotting process, role in migraine, headache, mediator of sign and symptoms of carcinoid syndrome, carcinoid tumor, serotonin antagonist as treatment. Synthesis, storage, and destruction of 5-HT or serotonin. 5-HT is beta amino ethyl 5-hydroxyindole derivative. It is synthesized from the amino acid tryptophan and degraded primarily by MAO and to a small extent by a dehydrogenase. The synthesis of 5-HT by the amino acid tryptophan in 5-hydroxytryptophan and degraded in the presence of MAO in 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid. This is the chemical structure of the 5-HT serotonin. Hydroxytryptamine receptors or 5-HT receptor are found in the central and peripheral nervous system. They can be divided into 7 families of G protein coupled receptor except for the 5-HT3 receptor, a ligand gated ion channel which activates an intracellular second messenger cascade to produce an excitatory or inhibitory response. This is the family of 5-HT, 5-ST1, 5-ST2, 5-ST3, 5-ST4, 5-ST5, 5-HT6 and 5-HT7, and this is the type which they bind activate the GI and GO protein coupled receptor mechanism of action, mechanism and potential of the 5-HT serotonin. 5-HT1 are coupled with GIGO protein coupled and mechanism decreasing the cellular level of CAMP and potential is inhibitory. This is all about the 7 families of the 5-HT receptors. Serotonergic receptor. This is the cell membrane which is serotonin receptors are present or active by the CAMP or PLC receptor by decreasing CAMP and increasing calcium channel and increasing in CAMP in cell membrane or cytosol. Synthesis, storage and destruction. The first step is synthesis of the 5-HT and second is the storage of the 5-histine or serotonin release. Vesicles release serotonin into the synaptic cleft and activation. Serotonin bind to receptor and initiate a signal to the cell body of the postsynaptic neuron. And fifth is clearing. Sixth is reuptake and last is metabolism of and breakdown of 5-HT serotonin by the MAO enzyme. Elimination. The elimination of 5-HT serotonin is metabolized by MAO and then aldehyde dehydrogenase to form 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid is also called 5-HIAA is excreted in urine. Pharmacological actions in CVS arteries are constricted by direct action on vascular smooth muscles as well as dilated larger arteries and veins are constricted in micro circulation. 5-HT dilates barriolar and restricts venules. VP triple phase responses is the second point of the pharmacological action. Fall in VP due to coronary chemo reflex, rise in VP due to vasoconstriction and increased cardiac output, prolonged fall in VP due to arteriolar dilation. Third one is pharmacological action on the visceral smooth muscles. 5-HT is a potent stimulator of GIT and second is 5-HT present in the gut. Peristalsis is increased and diarrhea can occur. In glands, 5-HT inhibitors gastric secretion both acid and pepsin but increase mucus production. Nerve ending and adrenal medulla afferent nerve ending are activated, causing tingling and picking sensation, nausea and vomiting, less potent than histamine. Then last is pharmacological action on platelets, causes changes in shape of platelets but it is a weak aggregator. Serotonergic drugs, action and uses. The receptors of serotonin, drug action, drug examples and clinical disorders. The drug example is bispron, ipsapron, sumatriptan, methisergide, trazodone, risperidone, ketanserin, ondansetron, cisapride and tegraserod is the drug examples of the serotonin and clinical disorders causes by the drug of serotonin. Anxiety, depression, migraine, depression, schizophrenia, chemotherapy, radiotherapy induces emesis, GIT disorder. 5-HT receptor agonist, bispron, sumatriptan, cisapride, dexfenfluramine or lorcaserin is the agonistic drug of the serotonin and antagonist of 5-HT receptor. Cyproheptadine, methyserized ketanserin, Clozapine, resaperidone, ondansetron is the agonist action on the cell. And this one is the 5-HT receptor antagonist, cyproheptadine, 5-HT2A receptor blocking property, famous for increasing appetite, H1 antihistaminic, anticholinergic and sedative use, allergies, hepatitis, stimulant, serotonin syndrome, carcinoid syndrome and priapism, and adverse effect of 5-HT receptor antagonist, dryness of mouth, weight gain and drowsiness. Then second drug is ondansetron, dolasetron and gangrestrone. 5-HT3 receptor antagonist used as antiemetics. Antipsychotic is 5-HT2 antagonist, clozapine or resaperidone. Thank you.